This is Natarajan. Welcome to the AutoCAD tutorials. Today I will explain how to draw the 2D sketch in the AutoCAD. First I draw a center line here. I draw a center line. Okay. Now circle diameter, radius 20, so diameter is 40. Now here diameter is 62. It is given. So center point, radius 31. Now here an offset distance 27. Intersection point, draw a radius of circle of diameter 8. So diameter 4, radius 4, diameter 8. Okay. Here intersection point. Here diameter is 16. So radius 8. Okay. So I'm mirroring these two objects. ரெண்டு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மிரர் பண்ண போகிறேன். Select circle, bigger circle, smaller circle, intersection on this point. Okay. Mirror about y-axis. Now again I'm selecting these two objects. Intersection point. So mirror about x-axis. Mirror object previous. Mirror about x-axis. Okay. Now trim the unwanted lines and circles. Trim unwanted lines and trims. You can use in trim command. Select trim the unwanted circles and lines. Okay, erase. Using erase command, erase the unwanted arcs. உள்ள இருக்கிற லைன்ஸ்ல erase பண்ணிருங்க. Okay. Zoom enter alt. Here also you have to trim it. Then permanently erase the line. Okay. Now again the circle intersection point. Radius 4. Again circle command, intersection point, radius 8. Here also circle, intersection point, radius 8. Circle, intersection point, radius 4. Now using trim command, tr put enter பண்ணுங்க. The whole object will be selected automatically. Okay. Trim double enter பண்ணீங்கன்னா எல்லா ஆப்ஜெக்டும் செலக்ட் ஆகும். செலக்ட் பண்ணி என்னென்ன ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ட்ரிம் பண்ணணுமோ அது மட்டும் நீங்கள் ட்ரிம் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே. Otherwise you have to select manually. இல்லாட்டி நீங்கள் மேனுவலாக செலக்ட் பண்ணணும். Now erase the line arcs. Zoom enter alt. Okay. Now from this center to center the distance is given as 65. Okay. offset command, distance is 65. Select the horizontal line. Here vertical offset is uh, vertical distance is 55. Circle intersection point, so radius 15. This means the dia 30. Here circle intersection point, radius 10. Now mirror the two circles, intersection point. Now using draw a vertical line. Okay. In mirror draw it, but you have to draw a arc here. Arc radius is diameter is given as dia 36. Dia 36. Okay. Now using arc command, arc start and radius. Okay. I'm selecting this start point and end point. The radius is given as 18. Start point, end point, radius. Okay. Now trim the line. Here also either you can do mirror. Here also இதே நீங்கள் மிரர் பண்ணலாம் இந்த சைடு. நான் உங்களுக்கு இன்னொரு ஐ டூ ஒன்ஸ் அகேன் ஸ்டார்ட் பாயிண்ட் எண்ட் பாயிண்ட் ரேடியஸ். ஓகே, ஸ்டார்ட் பாயிண்ட் எண்ட் பாயிண்ட். Select this line, select the circle, start point and radius is 18. Okay, now trim this line. Zoom enter all. Okay, now here you have to draw the arc here. Diameter 200 but radius is 100. Okay, start point, end point, radius. Okay, 3 point. I'll go for 3 point. Start point, type quadrant, start point, type near, and also type near. Either we come to start for endpoint radius. Okay, near, also type near. Radius is 100. Now extend this line. And draw a horizontal line. Okay, offset 15. Here draw a circle, intersection point, draw a circle of radius 15. Okay. ஏன் 15 இது பண்ணோன்னா இந்த சர்க்கிளோட சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் ரேடியஸ் இஸ் 15, diameter 30 இஸ் given. ஸோ அதனால் நான் டேஞ்சன்ட் பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து 15 mm ஆஃப்செட் பண்ணேன். அதுலேருந்து ஐ எம் drawing a radius circle of radius 15. Okay, again intersection point 10. Okay, so erase this line, also erase this line, vertical line. Now extend this line, extend this vertical line. erase this line. Okay, you can convert into a center. Send off type பண்ணீங்கன்னா select the center point. Okay, that I'll convert into a center line. Then mirror, select object, intersection point. Okay, now we'll give the dimension for the object 2D sketch. Okay, now dimension linear, select the center point to center point here. Radius is give distance is 65, enter 65. Dimension linear, select the vertical line and this horizontal line. Distance is 55. Now select dimension radius. Select this arc is R8. Dimension radius. Select the circle R4. Here dimension radius. Select this arc. Here dimension radius. Select this bigger arc. Now dimension linear. Select this. Okay. Now select dimension linear. This quadrant of the circle to quadrant here. Distance is 62. Now we are given the dimension for the 2D sketch. Okay. Now we'll test some more points how to make it visible. So type dim style, modify, give offset from the origin say 4 mm. Okay. Symbols arrow size also increase to 6 mm. Height also increase to 6 mm so that it will be visible. Text select text above. Select ISO standard. Give OK. Close it. Now the dimension will be visible here. Give dimension linear. Select the inner circle. Now here there is no diameter symbol here. Only the values is we have entered only the values. Okay. How to enter the diameter symbol here? So type this. Type percentage C. Type 30. Okay. Diameter symbol is 5. It is called percentage C. Okay. Now you have to convert this bilayer line into center line. Okay. For that, load, select the center line options. Give OK. Give OK. Select this vertical line. Select this horizontal line. Here also vertical line, horizontal line. Go for bilayer center. and select it is converted into a center line, but it's not visible here. Okay, how to make it visible? Type lt scale factor, line type scale factor, enter 10, value 10, enter. Now it becomes visible here. Still you can increase the scale factor, say scale factor to 15. Okay, now it is visible here. Okay, so this is how we have to draw the 2D sketch in the AutoCAD. Okay, thank you for watching AutoCAD tutorials, and we will meet on the next 2D drawings.